Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm in the lab here. Here is a library, but it's into different sessions. Right now I'm at the English and writing area. Like this place, if you are reading English, you can be studying nursing and also psychology or what. So if your course or maybe your program you are doing English, this is where you will come, and the tutors, if you need help, they will help you out. If maybe you have written your draft and you want them to read through before you submit, this is the place you should come. They will check your work, they will read your work and help you correct some mistakes or some errors. And also if you have a research about English writing and you don't have any ideas, this is the place to come. So today's class came to this place. We just closed from class. We closed 10:15 and it's now 10:28. But because I don't have any class, I decided to sit back and study, because if I go home my baby boy will not allow me. You see this book. See, my boy has started all my books, like he just tear, you see. So if I'm in the house, I find it difficult to study. But if I'm able to come to campus, I love it, because I'll have my time. If it's even 1 hour or 2 hours, I'll be able to study. So finish my work and submit it before I go home. So that's what I'm doing. And if I need help, you put something here, they will come and help you, or maybe they will come and assist you. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just working on my assignment. Now I've been able to attend class all the 2 days, but last month or so I was having hospital appointment back to back. So based on that, I wasn't able to attend class. And this month, it's okay. Today I have an appointment. I have an appointment at 1 p.m. and it's now 10:30. So by 12 my husband will come and pick me, and then we go to the appointment. I'll take you guys with me, okay? It's not easy to be a student, to be a wife, to be a mother, and to also be carrying this being pregnant. It's not easy. So I'm just doing everything. So I always love it when I come to class. I love it a lot, because for some weeks a place looks like, you can see written and English writing, right? Yeah. Oh, this is how the place looks like. Let me show you guys. This is my study sitting area. Yeah. These days I try to happy myself, like I try to excite my own self, because my health matters a lot, and I've realized that nobody can make you happy more than you making your own self happy. Because why will you expect somebody to make you happy? Why will you expect somebody to excite you, to make you feel happy? No, happy yourself, okay? So don't let anybody make you feel bad. Whatever that is bothering you, it's good you share. It's good you always kind of talk to the person. Yeah, make the person know what he or she has done is wrong. Then if you're able to let it go, it will help you a lot than keeping malice. So me, that is who I am. I talk, I share what is bothering me, if you like it or not, if you understand me or not. I don't care. Like this guy music, Came Promise, Terminator. I like the lyrics. If you understand me or not, then I'm okay. I'm okay. If you think I'm wrong or not, don't ask me why. You see that kind of lyrics? I love it because if you do something and I tell you I don't like it, or if I tell you something, whether you understand or not, I don't care. I'm okay. I'm not going to bother myself. At first, guys, is it 2 or 3 years ago, I used to think that my happiness rely on somebody's, like my happiness, I need to get it from someone. Other people, leaving myself, you see that kind of thing. But now I said no, we are not doing that. We are not. So now I feel excited. I feel so excited about everything. So this is the work I'm doing. Guys, I just want to just use this. I want to use, it's now 10:37, right? And my husband will come and pick me 12 or thereabouts, or 11. So I want to use this few minutes, less than 30 minutes, to wrap up and submit my lab progress before, because all those things, it has a max. If you're able to come to the lab 4 times, you will get 20 points. So me, I don't joke with points. I'm a student. I embrace points more than anything. If it's even one point, I will try and get it. So I just want to finish fast and get this. Right? So this point 4 lab progresses 20, final draft 15, video whatever. See that? Because I was able to submit my work, and I just studied a little bit for my next assignment. I don't think I'll go home. I'll just go straight from here because I'm looking good. I'm not looking bad at all. I like the outfit. This is the outfit. Yeah, this is my outfit. So my shoe, my black pants, and my top. Yeah, so I'll just go straight from here. Guys, I've checked in, and they'll call me very soon. We just checked in and then they call us so quick. The appointment is 1 and we are here 12:34. I'm glad we've made it on time so that I will not be worried. I missed the other one last week and they scheduled me for the other day. And I wanted to be like that because they will say, Africa, if you don't respect time. I've seen the nurse over the hospital before. So that means that they work over there and also work here, right? Yes, no. Yeah. Where I wash my hair. I've not moisturized my hair because I don't have hair oil. Oh my god. The baby was just moving. My baby was just shaking my stomach. Can you see? Can you feel it? Can you see it, guys? Oh, just stop. So you see. Come baby, do again. You see? The baby is even happy that mommy has come to the appointment on time. Yeah. But wait, guys, we are standing here. we were inside, all of us. You see those people behind me? We were all inside this building. A fire alarm or whatever started doing ping, ping, ping. We all came out and they said we should stand far from the building. I proposed to the answer where the mechanic tree. I think it will be another fun is serious. We just came out, stood outside, nothing happened, and now we are all going. We are all going. On the shot, I the yellow now black car. Like, I don't know why. I'm tired. I was just yawning while I was driving. Yawning. And I'm hungry. Very hungry. As if I didn't eat anything in the morning. I ate breakfast in the morning. So they did this to me. They gave me this thing. Right. They gave me tetanus. Yeah. Amazon delivery. So guys, while I was talking to you guys, a call just came. Amazon delivery driver just called me that she or he is in front of my door, and I said I'm just around the house, so she can just go ahead and leave it there. So what I was saying is that I went for an appointment and I ended up getting tetanus because they said I have to get it. I mean, my guys, guess the week that I am. Let me even off this car. It seems. I love tomatoes a lot. Guys, have you seen this combination before? This is exactly the food. So this is my salad, my jollof rice, and my tea. This food is only for lunch. It's 2 something, almost 3. I'm coming to consume this food. I know I will not finish maybe all of the jollof, but for the salad I will finish because I love salad. And we don't have orange juice, so because we don't have orange juice, I decided to push it down with this tea. Yeah. So this package came. So let's see my baby. I've been ordering things from Shein. I don't know what I've done to Shein these days. I ordered water bottle for my baby 3 times. It didn't come. They have to refund my money to me. And this time I said, no, I'm going to buy it from Amazon. I know Amazon, it will surely come. And truly it has come. My boy will love, because today my boy went to school without water bottle. Because Friday, he came home without his water bottle. They left it, like, they didn't put it in his bag. So he ended up using the one he has in the house. And the one he has in the house is really big. He can't carry it to school. So I did this one for him. And this one was having a good review. Yeah. I know my boy will love it. Ordinary. Because you know, when you are pregnant, your first stage, your first trimester, you need to be very careful with your skincare. I researched on this product and they said it's good, it's safe to use if you are pregnant, but it should be used only in the night. Yeah, only. I used to have it before getting pregnant, and before getting pregnant it was really good on my skin, but because I got pregnant I have to stop, and it wasn't even finished, so I just, it's good. That is becoming dark. Know what it is. I forgot what I ordered. Sometimes I forget. Shein earrings is not earrings. People have been saying it, that if you order earrings like jewelry from Shein, it doesn't last. It's true. It's earrings from Shein, and I don't know, you put it on and it will remove, it doesn't stay. So I was just checking Amazon. I said, let me just get at least quality ones. Can you see? But cute. So grateful I got this one. Yeah. So these days I said I'm just shopping the things I need, not the things I want. Yeah. Shop accordingly. And I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is, but let's see what is inside here. Oh, okay. I know. I'm not going to unbox this. I ordered this purposely for my husband.
From school with these. Don't let it finish. Guys, I have something to show you guys too. Wow. Are you ready for your present?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, come, mommy, have present. If I guess, should I guess?
Guess.
I don't know, but kill a bottle. What about?
Yeah, you guess correct.
Okay.
Kelly,
Let's see a new water bottle.
what is this yours?
What is that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this, as I said, I can't open it. I want him to come to the shopping for you guys because I love to shop for you guys. Caleb will finish this water today.
Okay, put it down. Don't let it
This
fall.
bubble.
Let me close it.
Close.
Let me close.
See your water bottle.
Oh.
You like this? It's cars. See the cars? It has red, blue, yellow cars. Guys, I'm just here sitting. I just slept off like I was just editing my
You need to
video.
knock the dog. Go.
Really?
Tell it you were inside.
See, Daddy is
do it.
unboxing.
Oh. Another dog. Wow. Brown. Oh my God.
Yeah. I got my man a brown belt, guys. See, I love this color. But he has a brown shoe, and I've noticed that he has never worn the shoe. Small.
No. Because this is the second, so
Oh, okay. If
there's
you
no
like,
one.
can
So
put
if
it. Okay, Jimmy hang. Guys, I'm glad my husband loves it. It's
like
really
the color.
nice. Good to get brown.
Okay. You like your water bottle?
No,
You like yourself?
no.
If Caleb came home with this ball,
You've eaten, right?
yeah, did my videos, ate my food, unbox, and I'm here. See, boy. Oh, guys, I want to wear the earrings and see. This is the Shin earring. It's not correct. The way I miss Ghana, in Ghana I used to have a lot of things. I used to have jewelries upon jewelries. I used to have belt, like, you know, that waist belt and tummy belt. And I used to have bags, shoes, clothes there. Ciao. Like that period, I did not know of YouTube. I used to watch people's YouTube, but I did not know that I can also open it. And it has really pained me. So this is how it looks like, guys. It looks so cute. This vlog has been everywhere. Thank you so much if you have watched up to this time. I really appreciate. May God richly bless you, and tell me what you really love about this vlog. Leave a comment on interesting parts of the vlog that you love. And also, please keep praying for me, okay? Pray for me and my baby. Now, see our bum. This is how our bum looks like now. It's super long. Consider to share, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will talk to you guys in my next video.